Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cane and Coffee. Here we have a La Pavoni. It was brought in because it was leaking from the bottom and they wanted gaskets replaced. So we replaced the heating element seal underneath the machine, which solved the leaking issue. And then we performed a tune-up, disassembling the steam assembly and the group head, as well as the sight glass. And we deep cleaned the parts, soaked them, polished them with stainless steel wool. And then we replace the gaskets and lubricate everything and reassemble it. And here it is now, full pressure, not leaking, and we'll test its features, starting with steam. There we go. Perfect. Good seal, nice and easy to turn. And now we'll pull a shot. There's the bar, pre-infusion. Here we go. Perfect. Alright, and there you have it. La Pavoni, no longer leaking, polished up and working once again. Thanks for tuning in with Cane and Coffee, and please like our videos.